This is my biggest YouTube paycheck. Ooh, guys, I am so excited to share with you guys my YouTube revenue. In fact, let me turn on my screen record. You know I love to show you guys. Yeah, I'm so excited. Let me turn it on. Let me turn it on. Let me turn it on. I'm so excited, guys. I don't know if this is actually professional, but by the way, I'm excited about this, all of this. Yeah, so you guys know, if you're following my channel, you know that recently one of my videos is just skyrocketing like jets. Is jet the fastest? Jet, airplane, helicopter, which is the fastest? Is it jet? I don't know. Put it down in the comment section. Tell me, I don't know. But it's just skyrocketing, flying. As you can see, looking at the graph, the arrow, because I started the screen record and you guys can see it. This video has had 7,000, as I'm making this video, 498 views since it was published. I know you guys are actually yet to come and see the amount but then if I not tell you guys the views and where it is actually coming from and what is actually generating to me having that particular amount, then I am wrong, you know. So if you look down here, you can see YouTube is actually recommending this video. You can see that is the traffic source. It is YouTube. YouTube is the one recommending this particular video. And the audience retention is 3 minutes. Sorry about that noise, guys. 3 minutes, 41 seconds. That is actually, and look at this video has top moments, 2 spikes, no dip. That means people are not skipping. People are watching. Like, is that not a good sign? And in the past 48 hours, I've gotten 4,851 views. I'm so excited. I don't know. Please. For the reach, YouTube has, why is everywhere so noisy? Oh my God. For the reach, YouTube has actually shown the impression on 75.8K. Yeah, that's the impression. And by the way, guys, you can see I actually posted this video 3 days ago. So as I'm making this whole recording, this is the current data. So how viewers found, blah, 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 external site, WhatsApp, you know, people are sharing my videos to WhatsApp. Thank you. YouTube search them, end with Nick. And see, before I continue, guys, you see, when I started my YouTube channel and I see other YouTubers share their data, share how much they've made, share all of their analytics, and I used to see that people are searching for their name. I used to hope for it. I used to wish for that. When will people start searching for my name? Because me, when I check search term, I can see, okay, maybe how to monetize your channel, how to get 4,000 watch hour. Like, I have never seen any with Neka. I have never ever seen it, but I'm so excited to actually see that people are actually searching for my name. And if you're searching for my name, I love you. You know what? Keep searching for my name. I love you. In fact, come out. I'm so happy, guys. When I saw it, I screamed. I was like, what? People are actually searching for my name. Thank you so much. Content suggesting this video. You can see the first one is my video. Second one is vidIQ's video. Then other YouTubers, like, yeah. But everything right here is actually we are all in the same niche, content suggesting this particular video. And the playlist, for the first time ever on this channel, playlist is featuring this video. Ever since I've been posting on this channel, playlist has never featured this video. So this is like the first ever playlist featuring. So look at the engagements, guys. Oh my God. Looking for 4,000 watch hour. One particular video has actually given me 452 watch hour. And guess what, guys? It keeps going up. You know, this is just what it is right now. It's going to increase by tomorrow. And this, like, you guys should remember that this video, this is just 3 days data. 3 days data. Imagine if I leave it for 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month. You know, right? So I was talking about the audience retention. Let's go about audience. So you can see I have 3.1K unique viewers. Thank you so much if you are watching me and you have actually watched that video, thank you so much for watching. Audience by watch time, new viewers. I don't know, I'm just happy. That's how I'm dancing. Okay, all of that. Let me just keep all of that. Device type. Most, like, it's just mobile. Yeah, we all know that. And the age range, 18 to 24. They're actually watching me apart from the younger ones, which is 13 to 17. Yeah. So the gender, hey, male and female, you guys are competing. You guys are competing. Well, thank you so much. We still have more of the females. And top geography in Nigeria. Anytime you see Nigeria as a top geography for your revenue, just know that that revenue is going to be small. But when you see US, just have faith that there can still be a miracle. You see Nigeria, United States, and United Kingdom. Those are my top 3. So subtitle, people did not really use subtitle like that. So 91.9% of people that actually watch me not subscribed. Why? Oh my God. 8.1% subscribed. Thank you. If you watch this particular video and you subscribe, thank you so much. So now to why we are here. Drum rolls there. My remedy. $10.64. No. Hold up. Let me explain something to you. Don't say, is it because of $10.64? Oh my God, come here. So, if you see how much advertisers are paying, let me go start from how much advertisers are paying. Advertisers are paying $3.52, and YouTube decided to give me $2.23 for every 1K view. And they have only calculated for 4.7K. Remember, we have 7,000 this thing. So it has not updated. Look at the views we have, 7,000. So it has not updated. So it has only updated to 4.7K. It updates every day. Yeah. So I said this is my biggest paycheck because I have never gotten this amount of money in 3 days. That's why I called it my biggest paycheck. Obviously, I've earned money more than this, but I've not earned it in 3 days. There was a time when especially this particular channel, I remember there was a month in this particular channel. I used a whole month, like when I just got monetized, I used a whole month, and then I was able to get $5. 30 days, just $5. Like, but look at me now, I'm getting 10.64 in 3 days. Imagine if I leave this video till the end of the month. Imagine how much it will have gone to you. And those of you thinking $10, is that why she's happy? Is that why she's doing like this? See, it is more than $10. No, they've not updated it. So let us even calculate this one that they've updated. Let's go to our calculator. It's big money. You guys don't even know anything. 10 times, how much is $1 now? Let's just say 16,000 naira. For doing what? For just coming on YouTube and talking to you guys, telling you how you can actually grow and monetize your YouTube channel, sharing ideas with you guys. Just one single video. Like, I'm so happy. Let me go back to, I'm so happy, guys. Like, when I saw this particular amount, I've never, on this particular channel, in 3 days, I've never earned it. So this is my biggest achievement. I really hope, I know some people say, oh, in 1 day, they earn $100, $200. Oh, President General. I mean, what's that song? President General. President General. Oh, Gala. Don't let me continue because I don't think all my subscribers are actually Nigerian. So they might be like, what is she saying? But I know Nigerians will understand. So you guys are really, really doing well. I can't wait to get to that stage whereby I can actually, be getting that kind of amount. But I really celebrate little wins. I don't know. To some people, it might be, oh, is it worth celebrating? Is it worth talking about? But to me, I love celebrating little wins because, like they say, little drops make an ocean. Small like this, that's how it becomes big. It does not just become big overnight, you understand? So there used to be a time whereby before I would even get this $10, I'll use like 2 months, 3 months. And like I said before, the first time it was $5. The second month it was like, was it not $8? A whole month though, not day, a whole month. If you check my past video, you see I was not really getting views. I was really fighting and battling with views. So getting this in 3 days is a win for me, and I've come out here to celebrate it and also to encourage you. So in case if you're thinking that, oh, I just started my YouTube, I'm not getting the views, or even if you're monetized like me yet, but you are not being able to reach your monetization threshold monthly, you cannot withdraw. You are monetized though, but you are not still getting the views. Like, this is me just encouraging you. Just keep posting. Do not relent. Don't say, oh, because you're not getting there, you now want to. Do not relent. Keep posting. Just continue. Continue. You don't know the video that will pick up for you. Today, I'm celebrating $10 for 3 days. Tomorrow, something can happen. Tomorrow, I can be celebrating that I'm now getting $500, $1,000 in one day. Like, that's how it works. You cannot just box yourself and just say, okay, because it is going like this for you, then just decide to give up. Never give up. Never, ever. Never, 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 never give up. So me, I'm happy, right? Right? I got some period, I got some par, I got some par. All right. See you in our next video. Let me end this live. This record. See you in our next video. Bye, guys.